Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Feeling unrushed, make your way to all fours with your wrists beneath your shoulders and your knees below your hips. With an inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulders away from your ears, feeling your neck long, and with each exhale, round your spine, pressing the earth away, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Continue moving at your own pace, allowing this cat-cow stretch to re-energize your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Keep your spine in a neutral position with your core engaged and the back of your neck long. Moving into a spinal balance, extend your right leg straight back with your right knee pointing down. When you're ready, reach your left arm forward shoulder height, keeping your spine neutral and your navel back towards your spine. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, using your core to stabilize. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Extend through your left leg, keeping your spine neutral. When you're ready, reach your right arm forward shoulder height, keeping the back of your neck long, drawing your shoulders away from your ears. Release and return to all fours, with your wrists beneath your shoulders and your knees below your hips. Turn your toes under and lift your hips, raising your knees to hover. Keep your core engaged, your back flat, and your hips parallel to the earth, strengthening through your lower abs and obliques. Release and come to take a seat. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.